Well, let's begin with this explosive coverage because it is just 72 hours to go for the elections, for the votes to be cast, and Sheesh Mahal has been the biggest talking point so far this election season in Delhi. The BJP there made it to the fulcrum of its campaign against Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party. And now, in the slogovers of the campaign, a new 30-minute raw and unedited video that we are looking at is of the Sheesh Mahal, or when it comes to the 6 Flagstaff Road residence of the former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, which is now surfaced. It is a never-seen-before video of this palatial bungalow that you see inside me, inside and out, as we are going to call it, when it comes to BJP calling a symbol of corruption. Pratibha, my colleague, is also with us here in the studio, and we get you, especially when it comes to the amount that is now cost, Pratibha, when it comes to renovating this entire bungalow, what all has gone into it?
So let's give, for the very first time, a look into Sheesh Mahal. This is the Chief Minister's residence, and this is for the very first time that we are going to give you a look inside the entire bungalow of the former Delhi Chief Minister. This is the official residence of the CM, and for the first time, we are going to take you inside in a video that has been released by the BJP. A look at what is inside. This is spread across 21,000 square feet and includes 8 bedrooms, 3 meeting rooms and 2 kitchens, as well as 12 bathrooms. So, Amita, this, of course, is outside, opulence in every corner. Let's first go across and take a look at what the hall looks like.
In the meantime, talking about exactly when it comes to how this hall looks like, there are curtains inside the hall, as we talk about when it comes to the living room, that goes up to a whopping 96 lakh. Let's talk about even when it comes to these, you can see the decorations that has now been put in place. It looks simple in the offhand, but when it comes to the amount of money that has now been used for the renovation, we also get you right from the living room to the bathroom to the kitchen equipment, all of them, including gym equipment as well, all of them go up to into lakhs of rupees. And this is happening at the time when it comes to the Sheesh Mahal becoming the big talking point just ahead of the elections that we talk about. So this is, Pratibha, as we talk about not just the living room, other equipments as well that have been costing into lakhs of rupees.
Absolutely. So it started off with about 7 crores for the redevelopment of the house, and it went up. The cost shot up to 33 crore rupees. That's the kind of renovation work that has gone into this residence. Amita just showed you what the entrance looks like when you just enter the Sheesh Mahal. But let's take a look at the bedrooms as well. Now, one would argue the meeting rooms, this is of the official Delhi CM's residence, and this is the reason why it's significant. But now, once you go inside and look at the other rooms as well, this is an 8-bedroom location. So here, every bit of the furniture that you're seeing here is steeped in a lot of luxury. 33 crores being spent, over 300% is when the cost went up. And look at it, from the wood that has been used in each of these rooms to the lighting in these areas, the curtains, all of that has been custom made. And these are, of course, a closer look at the shelves that are inside, a closer look at the bedroom and everything, including the sofa, the paintings, even the mirror that you're seeing. All of it has been put in place with a lot of luxury inside. So, if this is a look at the bedroom, we'll also go into the other room. So we showed you a look into several of the 8 bedrooms. This is one. As we go inside, we'll take a look at more bedrooms as well. All of these rooms, every bit of it seeped in a lot of opulence and luxury. And this is a man, remember, who had been thrust into the spotlight for his anti-corruption crusade.
Absolutely. And not just that, as far as when we have seen when it comes to the living room, or it is also often called as a drawing room, where people often come and meet the Chief Minister there, we are looking at a whopping price when it comes to all of the equipments, brand new equipments that have now been put in place. Among these are also, when it comes to at least 88-inch, when it comes to a TV, that also, this is one of them, and this is one of the multiple TVs that we are looking at that have been costing up to 40 lakh rupees, and multiple TVs, especially when it comes to these rooms here are concerned, right from the carpets to the curtains, to the lightings, to the TV, and of course, when it comes to the furniture, this is one of the many rooms that we are looking at as far as these renovations that has been made. And of course, TV in every room, Pratibha. This is something that when it comes to adding, these are gym equipments, weight loss equipments as well that we are looking at. As far as when it comes to massagers and other equipments that have also been there, these are gym equipments that we are also talking about. In one of those rooms over there, all of this is brand new. So one of the multiple rooms, you can see the curtains there was the opting when it comes to lakh of rupees. It seems that these are speakers. These are speakers, high-end speakers that we are looking at that have also been installed in the rooms there. And of course, when it comes to the false ceiling, Pratibha, this seems to be one of the more talking points there. There was another air conditioner that was also visible over there. All of them brand new.
Absolutely. About 50 plus ACs that have been fitted in. It's a centralized AC unit in the entire house. And, Amita spoke about the speakers. There are about 75 high-end Bose speakers that have been fitted across in the house as well. So as, the camera moves, every corner of the house that you can see a lot of luxury, a lot of opulence that you are seeing. And this is the reason why the BJP has said that this is a house that has 7-star luxuries, accusing Kejriwal of corruption. And this has come into the center of the entire Delhi dangal. So every corner of it, this of course is some of the rooms there. We are also going to show you in the kitchen, in even the bathroom, the kind of equipment that has been put in. From microwave that cost over 2 lakh, fridge, and this is the fridge. Take a look at this fridge. The man who spoke about being the Aam Aadmi, saying we understand your pain. The kind of equipment that you can see in the kitchen includes a fridge that costs over 8 lakh with AI-powered fridge, and this is over 93 liters. So that speaks about the grandeur that you're seeing in the entire residence. Now, the kitchen equipment in itself has cost over 20 lakh rupees. Now let's go into the washroom as well to show you how a massive amount of money has been put in here as well. And it has facilities like a spa, including jacuzzi, a sauna. Just how you visit a spa, that was the facility. These were the facilities that were available at the official CM residence.
Of course, it including a jacuzzi, it includes a sauna, it includes a spa, and we are looking at a cost of whopping 19.5. That is almost 20 lakh rupees, and all of that has now gone into. You usually see this in 5-star, 7-star hotels, but this is now built in this palatial bungalow of the former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal at a time when this is a sauna there. I mean, this is not something that we are talking about. No, this is not some 5-star hotel. This is a bungalow of the official Chief Minister's residence there. And all of this that has now been built as part of the renovation that was taking place of this high-end residence. Let's talk about when it comes to the equipments that have also been put in. The curtains that we are looking at, of course, you can see these are remote control curtains. Now, when it comes to the remodeling of the house that has now happened, we are looking at even the curtains that are now worth over several lakh rupees. And you can see when it comes to these blinds that have also been put in place. And there you can see this is how the remote is being used to control as far as the automatic curtains are also concerned. And of course, when it comes to the layers of the curtains that can also be seen, this is one of the many rooms that we are looking at, Pratibha. Even when it comes to the equipments, they're all very high-end, all top of the, when it comes to the industry marketing. And of course, we are looking at the worth, Pratibha, running into lakhs of rupees.
Absolutely. High-end, custom-made equipment everywhere. And we showed you the hall area, the main areas, the bedroom. And now take a look at the gym as well. And remember, the BJP has accused the Aam Aadmi Party of indulging in this opulence at a time when the people of Delhi were suffering. Take a look at the gym as well. Some of the most high-end gyms in Delhi, across Delhi as well, may not have the kind of equipment that is available at the Delhi CM official residence. Now, the equipment as well has been brought in, many of them brought in from outside the country as well. The BJP has been raising this issue time and again, and it says, take a look at this. Which gym across Delhi are you going to see this kind of equipment here? And before that, we also showed you the jacuzzi, the spa that's available at the residence. The cost of the renovation was pegged somewhere around 7 crores, shot up to much more at about 33 crores. That's the amount of money that has been spent. And now this video being released by the BJP with just about 72 hours to go for the elections.
Absolutely. At this palatial bungalow that spread across 21,000 square feet, including 8 bedrooms, 3 meeting rooms, 2 kitchens and 12 bathrooms. And these are high-valued items that we are looking at, that the BJP seems to be now squarely taking on the Aam Aadmi Party, which has been raising the Sheesh Mahal call as the splurge, that being #1 attack point against the Aam Aadmi Party, in particular against Arvind Kejriwal, who has once again cited this new, longer version of this 30-minute Sheesh Mahal video to step up his attack, to step up the pressure on Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party, calling this as the house of corruption.
पाप को और अपराध को आप कितना भी ढक के रखें, वो निकलता है। शीश महल चरित्र दर्शाता है अरविंद केजरीवाल का, करप्शन का भी और क्रूरता का भी। करप्शन, उसके बारे में बहुत सारी बातें हो चुकी हैं। कहां तो घर देना था झुग्गी को पक्का मकान, कहां बनाने लगे अपना शीश महल आलीशान।
शीश महल का रॉ अनएडिटेड वीडियो ये स्पष्ट कर देता है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल के भ्रष्टाचारी शीश महल में बड़े बड़े लग्जरी आइटम्स हैं। ये भी स्पष्ट कर देता है कि अपने आप को आम आदमी कहने वाले अरविंद केजरीवाल की नीति और नियत मिडिल क्लास के पैसे को लूटकर अपने पॉकेट को भरने की है। उनकी नियत गरीबों के पैसे को लूटकर अपने परिवार के लिए एक शीश महल बनाने की है। अरविंद केजरीवाल कोई आम आदमी नहीं, परंतु एक ऐसे खास आदमी है जो जनता के पैसे को लूटकर अपना पारिवारिक शीश महल बनाते हैं।
Well, this is how the BJP seems to be taking on the Aam Aadmi Party. Tetri is also joining us right now, because Tetri, the BJP is now calling this as a house of corruption, the Sheesh Mahal, to target not just the Aam Aadmi Party, but Arvind Kejriwal in particular. And we are just counting down the hours when the first vote is cast in the national capital.
Absolutely, this is certainly very much important, because Delhi is going to undergo polls on 5th of February and the result is on 8th of February, and that is how BJP is picking up this entire issue of Sheesh Mahal, in which now this new video has emerged out, and in fact that is why BJP has been calling it as house of corruption, and BJP has been claiming that this particular house that's been built is being built by the money of the people of Delhi. And in fact, Aam Aadmi Party has in fact, as far as the issue of the residence of former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is concerned, which BJP calls it as Sheesh Mahal, so Aam Aadmi Party has been comparing it with Raj Mahal. And not just that, they are countering attacks on Prime Minister Modi, and in fact have been asking to open the Raj Mahal. And in fact, at a time when BJP had released a video of 30 minutes of Sheesh Mahal, at that particular point of time, remember that Aam Aadmi Party had also released a video that was, however, an AI generated video, but that was also a video which was approximately 8 minutes long video, in which they showed in which in fact they portrayed the Raj Mahal, calling it the residence of Prime Minister. And in fact, we are yet waiting for an official response from Aam Aadmi Party as far as this entire uncut, unedited video of the residence of former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, that BJP calls it as Sheesh Mahal, is concerned. And in fact, that is why several questions are being raised by the BJP, and that they have been saying that this particular Sheesh Mahal was built at a time when the country was facing a massive COVID wave, number one. Number two, that's the money of the taxpayer that was being used. Number three, the kind of alignment or the lines, or in fact the statements or the promises that Arvind Kejriwal had made while he was entering to the politics. And now the kind of residence, or in fact the Sheesh Mahal, that is coming into the limelight. This is something very much different, to which Aam Aadmi Party has been countering it with the kind of promises that he made and the promises that he has fulfilled. As far as this particular video is concerned, the uncut, unedited video that has emerged out, yes, we are absolutely waiting for an official response as to how do they counter. And also we are expecting is that again they will be countering it up with the in fact timings. And in fact already Aam Aadmi Party had been questioning always that why it has been released at a point when the elections are nearing up, number one. And number two, they will again be comparing it with the residence of Prime Minister. Back to you.
Okay, all right. Techi, stay with us. We have more breaking updates now coming in. In fact, it's not just the BJP. Even the Aam Aadmi Party's India Bloc ally, the Congress Party, has also spoken up. Minutes after the video emerged, the Congress's Pramod Tiwari has attacked Kejriwal, asserting Delhiites will give a befitting reply to the Aam Aadmi Party.
जनता की कोई ख्याल नहीं, एक शीश महल में रह रहा था सरकारी खर्चे पे, और दूसरा राजमहल में रह रहा है। तो ये शीश महल राजमहल वालों को जनता निकाल फेंकेगी, और अब कांग्रेस को लाएगी। जिसने इस दिल्ली को सजाया था, बनाया था, वो शीला दीक्षित का युग, उनकी पार्टी कांग्रेस।
Well, Sabyasachi and Nyamika joining us live. Well, this gets here interesting, Nyamika, because friends on a national level flows when it comes to regional level. Here is not just the BJP, of course, they will be taking on the Aam Aadmi Party, but the Congress Party is also demanding answers on the Sheesh Mahal video. Nyamika.
Well, indeed, and I would also like to remind our viewers that just a few days before, it was the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, who has also slammed the former Chief Minister, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, regarding this entire matter, as he has also made this allegation upon Mr. Arvind Kejriwal that when the entire national capital was suffering due to the COVID wave, it was Mr. Arvind Kejriwal who was enjoying his life in Sheesh Mahal. That was the statement which was being given by Mr. Rahul Gandhi during a rally in the national capital, and the High Command is also started raising a question upon the former Chief Minister, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, by saying that he used to be a common man, he used to work like an Aam Aadmi, but he is not an Aam Aadmi, as the term which was being used by the Congress Party leaders is that he has now become a Khas Aadmi. As I would also like to mention here that during the time when Mr. Arvind Kejriwal has entered into the politics, he has portrayed himself as a common man. He had giving this promises to the people of Delhi that he will work just like a common man, he will live his entire life like a common man. But now this time, just ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections, both the BJP as well as the Congress Party is trying to give a dent upon his image that he is not working as a common man. He is not raising the matters which are related to the common citizen of this country, because the taxpayers' money was being used in all these works which are being done at the residence of the former Chief Minister, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, which term which is being used by the BJP and the Congress Party regarding this is that he was living in a Sheesh Mahal when the entire Delhi was suffering due to the COVID wave. The people were on the roads; they were not being able they were suffering due to this COVID wave, and at that point of time, the taxpayers' money was being utilized by the Aam Aadmi Party for building up this Sheesh Mahal for the then Chief Minister, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, at 6 Flagstaff Road. So clearly now there is a continuous attack which is going on both the sides, from the BJP as well as from the Congress Party, regarding this.
And interestingly, even the Congress Party hitting out at the Aam Aadmi Party. But look at the narrative that the BJP is trying to build. Sabyasachi, on one hand, were Delhiites who were suffering at the time, and then Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who called himself an Aam Aadmi, who initially said that he does not even want the official residence of the CM, was enjoying in luxury. The BJP branding it the house of corruption, a Sheesh Mahal. How is this going to play out on the ground on the day of the elections?
Well, see, the BJP is definitely going to attack the Aam Aadmi Party on the new video that has come into light from the Sheesh Mahal. In fact, the BJP calls the Sheesh Mahal as the house of corruption. And the BJP says that the entire character and the deceit by the Aam Aadmi Party and Mr. Arvind Kejriwal has been exposed in front of the people of the national capital. Now, BJP and several of the BJP leaders, right from Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Union Home Minister Amit Shah, all of them have been campaigning on ground here in the national capital, and they, in all the Jan Sabhas, they have been attacking the Aam Aadmi Party over the Sheesh Mahal, how the Arvind Kejriwal has failed on its promises. In fact, if you remember, that Prime Minister Narendra Modi very categorically said that if he wanted, he could have built a Sheesh Mahal for himself, but rather he focused on the benefit of the people of the national capital and in the country, and the Aam Aadmi Party, on the opposite, is focusing only on the benefit of Arvind Kejriwal. So a lot of charges coming in from the BJP, and the BJP, while the campaigning is going to last here in the national capital till the 3rd of February, the BJP is going to escalate its attack on the Aam Aadmi Party over the Sheesh Mahal issue.
Well, of course, when it comes to the opulence, when it comes to the luxury, and something that is not seen before, even at the time when it comes to Delhi and the people there who were suffering from oxygen cylinders. This is the call that is now coming in from the opposition side. We are looking at this lavish bungalow that spread over 21,000 square feet. It includes 8 bedrooms, 3 meeting rooms, 2 kitchens, 12 bathrooms, high-valued items as well, curtains that are going worth over 96 lakh rupees, kitchen equipment that is worth over 39 lakh rupees. There are gym equipments that are worth over 18.5, silk carpets that are now worth over 16.2 lakh rupees, a sofa which is worth over 6.4 lakh rupees, bed worth over 4 lakh rupees, there is basin, there is vanity and spa worth over 4.9 lakh rupees, a mini bar as well that is now included in this palatial bungalow that we are looking at. And Manjinder Singh Sirsa of the BJP is with us. Sirsa ji, we are looking at all of them and talking about when it comes to the prices that are now attached to these luxurious items that have now been installed as far as when it comes to the Chief Minister's residence of Delhi. Now, formally, as far as Arvind Kejriwal being a part of this residence, what has been spent, as the BJP has been calling it as a Sheesh Mahal, and now this new unedited raw footage that has been released just hours before elections?
No, actually, hello?
Yes, sir, go on.
All right, we'll try and reconnect that line with Manjinder Singh Sirsa. Remember, the BJP has been raising this issue time and again. This is going to be one of the biggest plans for the BJP going into the election, saying Arvind Kejriwal, who claimed to be an anti-corruption crusader, who had once said that he does not want the official residence of the Chief Minister, has spent over 33 crores on the renovation of the house. And this is for the first time that we are getting a look inside the Sheesh Mahal, inside what the BJP has called the House of Corruption.
All right, the House of Corruption is now being called by the BJP in this. All right, I'm told that Pradeep Bhandaria from the BJP is also with us. Pradeep, this 30-minute long, raw, unedited video of the Sheesh Mahal, as the BJP calls it, has been released just hours before the elections. How do we understand this situation? Of course, you are taking on not just the Aam Aadmi Party, but also on Arvind Kejriwal.
Well, what it makes it very, very clear that Arvind Kejriwal is no longer the Aam Aadmi. He is the Khas Aadmi who is an expert in doing Bhrashtachar and corruption. He had come with changing the politics, but he has completely changed. What it establishes is that Arvind Kejriwal has looted the money of the middle class and the poor in Delhi to build his own personal Sheesh Mahal. What is important to note is that Delhi does not have any official Chief Minister residence. Despite knowing this fact, Mr. Kejriwal made 50 crore of Sheesh Mahal. It establishes, one, that he speaks about the poor but is pro-rich. B, he has used the taxpayers' money for his personal benefits. It further establishes what we have been saying, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been saying, that Arvind Kejriwal is Kattar Bhrashtachari.
Okay, all right. Pradeep, thank you for joining us. Akashdeep Muni, political analyst, also with us on the broadcast. Akashdeep Muni, often you have come out in support of the Aam Aadmi Party, but here is a video for the very first time, a look inside Sheesh Mahal, the corruption plank being used by the BJP to say Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal are steeped in corruption, because look at the kind of luxurious items that have been used in the house with 33 crores worth of innovation being done.
The shamelessness of Bharatiya Janata Party will go nowhere, and they will be taking the country to the dustbin. What they are focusing on is not what they will be giving to the Delhiites. What the 7 MPs who are selected, what they will be giving, what they have done. Have they gone to their constituencies even? Have they seen the drainage system? Have they seen what they have done? Then nothing. But they will be focusing on Sheesh Mahal, while their Prime Minister invests 900 crores on his Raj Mahal, but they will be focusing on 50 crores on the Chief Minister House. That's the Chief Minister House. If tomorrow Bharatiya Janata Party comes to power, they will also stay there. Why don't they understand? The problem is that they don't need to solve problems of the people. They're just doing politics. Pradeep Bhandari is another example. कि नहीं भाई पॉलिटिक्स करेंगे पर लोगों का काम नहीं करेंगे. कब लोगों का काम करोगे? लोगों का ड्रेनेज सिस्टम कब सही करोगे? पानी कब सही करोगे? वो सब
So this is how you seem to be taking on the BJP there. Akashdeep Muni, thank you very much. We'll take those answers with the Congress party as well, because Udit Raj is connected with us. Mr. Udit Raj, the BJP is demanding answers. What about the Congress?
See what happened. Mr. Kejriwal is cunning. and I would suggest that he should join the club of corporate. He is so much clinging for the wealth and luxury, and comparing Modi doesn't make a sense, because Modi had not said that I would live in one room, I would not touch a fleet of cars, I would not take security. But this person started a new kind of politics that from the funding of the masses, people.
Well, it is interesting there, being part of the Congress and of the opposition bloc, you seem to be questioning the same party as you have partnered when it comes to the general elections is concerned. Thank you very much, Mr. Udit Raj, for joining in. This is the big exclusive when it comes to the coverage that we are getting. This is a 30-minute raw, unedited video released by the BJP, which shows the opulence and the luxury of what the residence of the Delhi Chief Minister looks like. We'll get you more reactions on that back after a short break.